All right. Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. We are doing a duct job for a client. As you can see, we've already done all the returns and the vents. The technician's wrapping up now. Gonna go downstairs to make trunk lines. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Facebook, YouTube. We got another air duct job today for a client in Waterloo, Illinois. Got our mosquito has some problems with dust and so forth, allergies and immune. We're here to take care of her today. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, breathe better, call AO, let's go. All right, guys, we opened up the return end cap, and this is what we found, what you would expect. This is pretty typical. Again, the client said that her daughter had some immune or allergy symptoms that they wanted to treat, and her chiropractor actually recommended her get her HVAC cleaned. So that's what we're here today. We're cleaning out her HVAC system so she can breathe better and make it more efficient. So, you see, that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned for the afterwork. Beautiful. All right, guys, it's the after work. Check it out. Absolutely stunning, amazing. They're going to breathe better thanks to our service, AO Cleaning. Call for today for your ducts. All right, guys, this is the air handler that we're working on today. We are going to remove all the cobwebs, spider webs, dust, debris, anything that may be blocking this to run more efficiently, as you can see in there, and get it working better, especially up in there. You see that up in there. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna get all this debris and gunk out of here, all that dust and debris. Get it all cleaned out so it can be more efficient. Stay tuned.